Hey, join me in this video as I make this fun, festive Christmas tree card.
I'm just gonna start off by a triangle, and I'm gonna start off with some upper rows, and I'm gonna make it kind of a candy color Christmas tree, and I'm gonna just start off with a triangle. And I think this will be a fun little tree to make. Just make a triangle. And I'm using my paint straight from the pan so I can get some nice vibrant color. I'm going to take some Quinacridone Red and drop it in there. Kind of mix it in there with it. And maybe some Hansa yellow medium. And just give it a little bit of light on that side. Rinse my brush. And then I'm going to get this, believe it's French Ultramarine, and drop that in. And give that, oh, isn't that pretty? That is pretty. A little bit of dark on that side. And I'm just going, let's get a little bit more pink. Put that in there. Just really get some color going. All right. Let's let this dry and we'll come back. While that is in its drying stage, I'm going to come over here and get some more upper rows and start making a star up here. This is so easy. I hope you paint with me. Get some of that upper rows, make a star. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna get some Hansa yellow and just drop that in there in the middle. Give it some sparkle. You know, another thing that'd be pretty in that would be nickel azo yellow. I don't have any on this palette. So, okay, let's let this dry and we'll come back and finish it off. Okay, so I'm going to use a gold Posca to put some embellishments on this tree. Well, we're done with our watercolors, or so I think. So I'm just going to put some embellishments. I don't have any rhyme or reason how I'm going to do this. Well, I do have rhyme or reason, but I'm just going for it. I've got this one over here that I did before. And I'm kind of going off of that, but not exactly the same. And maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just kind of keep my dots in an odd number. And then I think I'll go like this. Put a little botanical. You can use a gel pen or a white pen would be pretty. You know, maybe I'll go down here and do a swirl. And then maybe a bigger leaf. And another star. And maybe a heart. And some more dots. And maybe a heart over here. Bigger heart with some dots around it. And maybe like a snowflake. Let's like do an X. I love the Posca pens. And let's do a little flower here. And another botanical type shape. And maybe a leaf sticking out over here. And over here. And up here. And maybe another swirl. And another leaf down here. And some more dots. And maybe a little flower like this. And another starburst. And some, one, two, let's do another swirl. And some more dots. Kind of have them connected there. Maybe another little heart down here. More dots. And there. And there's another Christmas tree. So I hope you like this video and try it on your own. It really makes some cute, fun Christmas cards that are just bright and kind of abstract and, you know, abstract, real but not real. You know it's a Christmas tree, but it's not like a real Christmas tree. So talk to you later. Bye.